up, babies? Welcome back. It's the next day, and these are my lashes the following day. They look cute. I'll try to take a video outside, but we're doing my nails today. Hopefully you enjoy this video and everything. Let's get these nails done.
that I'm waiting. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to remember it. When we were at that thing we did last year. Oh, can not shine your gorgeous fool. On the road, road. Why am I justified by your lips and your eyes that just go on and on and on and on and on? You'll never catch up. And such not at all. And my love is not all. Preoccupied by your lips and your eyes. You know why I just go on and on and on and on and on. You'll never catch up.
Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't hide, 'cause you all just gotta know. We can party through the night. With you here, I surely am alright. I know you like it. So baby, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Welcome everybody. It comes in your body. It's not just a party. This is a soul cafe.
So babies, these are the nails. I will take more videos for the outro just in case you want an inspo and you want to do these nails. They are so beautiful, they're so nice, they're so different. Oh, they're so nice. Oh my demon cutter. Look at these ones. A guy right there. I kill a roof. I love these nails. So thank you for watching. This is me speaking with you for the last time on this video. And nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to when I post. And I will see you loves on the next one.